Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Coalition Cyber Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Coalition Cyber Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to assess their cyber risk and explore cyber insurance options. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses needing to understand their cyber insurance needs and find suitable coverage. Key features likely include risk assessment tools, insurance comparison, and potentially direct access to insurance providers. Their website provides details on their specific offerings. Coalition's positioning seems to be on providing a streamlined way to navigate the often complex world of cyber insurance. Benefits likely include ease of comparison, potentially access to competitive pricing, and a clear understanding of coverage options. They likely emphasize transparency, although specifics would need to be checked on their site. Availability is likely dependent on location and business type, which can also be checked on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Coalition Cyber Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I simply created an account, inputted some basic information about my business, and the risk assessment questionnaire was fairly intuitive. Navigating the interface was easy enough. I appreciated the clear categorization of different insurance options and the detailed descriptions provided for each policy. The performance was excellent, results were generated quickly and accurately. I was particularly impressed by the way it summarized potential vulnerabilities and suggested appropriate coverage levels. I had a quick question about a specific policy detail and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was reasonable. One minor drawback was the limited number of insurance providers listed. I had hoped for a broader selection. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise risk assessment report it generated. It gave me a much better understanding of our company's cyber vulnerabilities than I had before. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Coalition Cyber Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It significantly simplified the process of evaluating and selecting cyber insurance. That's my overview of Coalition Cyber Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.